Hello students, in this video we will discuss literature of Assamese literature. Uh, you know, from 10th to 14th century, literature in Assam was created in song form, and this was called Charyapada. What is Charyapada? One question may be there, and this is the answer. Please see the book and confirm the answer. That will help you in remembering, preparing the answer. Next is during 14th century, the writers like Rudra Kandali, Haribar Bipra, Kaviratna Saraswati, and Madhav Kandali appeared, and they wrote literature in poetic form. They wrote literature in poetic form. This is the change from song form to poetic form. And under the patronage of Badahi king, the name of the Badahi king was Mahamanikya. Shankar Deva, Madhav Kandali translated the Ramayana from Sanskrit to Assamese, and this is a great work. In Assamese, this Ramayana is called Saptakanda Ramayana. Then came the era of Vaishnavic literature, and Vaishnavism was propagated, spread in Assam by Srimanta Shankar Deva and his pupil Madhav Deva. To spread Vaishnavism in this region, he wrote songs, he wrote Bargit, he wrote dramas, he wrote stories, and through these forms of literature he enriched Assamese literature, as well as he propagated his Vaishnavism throughout this region. His masterpieces are Patni Prasad, Kelia Daman, Kalia Daman, Keli Gopal, Rukmini Haran, Parijat Haran, Ram Vijay. These are the masterpieces produced by Shankar Dev. He also wrote Chinha Yatra, the first drama of his, and it was played and played before Shakespeare. Shakespeare was not nowhere that time, and that time he produced this drama Chinha Yatra and staged. So great he was. You know, his Brindavani Vastra, the design he created, is still preserved in British Museum, England. Next, after Shankar Deva, next group of writers appeared, and they started writing in prose style. They started writing in prose form, and the most important name of this who created developed prose form and developed Assamese literature, the most important name is Vaikuntnath Bhagwat Bhattacharya, alias Bhattadev. Very important name, Vaikuntnath Bhagwat Bhattacharya, alias Bhattadev. He wrote, some literary pieces, Katha Gita, Katha Bhagwat, and Katha Ratnavali. These are there. And after that, a change came, and the writers started writing literature on the basis of history. A story based literature was created, and some important literary works during this period was of are Devi Manasha, one of the literary piece, Padma, Shati Biula. These are the masterpieces based on a story, and Govinda Misra wrote Padya Gita. And last, historical literature. Historical literature was created in Assamese. Previously, the Ahom, adopted Thai Ahom language in as their court language, and it was written in that Thai Ahom language. But later, the Assamese became the court language, and literary pieces were written in Assamese. And during the British rule, those literary pieces, those historical pieces were preserved and printed. And you see, some of them are Jaintia history, Deodhai history, Tongkhungia history, Kachari history, Tripura history, Padya history, and Padsahi history. These are most important. And history and literature go together. History cannot be separated from literature. History is literature. How? History is the story of the past, and literature reflect like a mirror, reflects what is what happened in the society. And history also writes, history also presents what happened in the society, in administration, in economy, in culture, in religion during a particular period, or during the rule of a particular king. Therefore history, literature, literature, history. थैंक यू. हम समझ रहे हैं, आपको ये समझ में आएगा. आई विल ट्राई टू प्रिपेयर वन मोर वीडियो इन हिंदी ऑन असमीज लिटरेचर. थैंक यू.